Is over-under trading just pure luck? Let us be honest. Have you ever placed a trade, lost instantly, and thought, there is no way to predict this, it is all just luck? Or maybe you've had people say, nobody can beat over-under consistently because every digit is random. But is that actually true? Or is there something most traders completely misunderstand? Today we are going to answer this question honestly, and by the end of the video, you will know where luck ends and where skills begin in over-under trading. As we start, I want to welcome all of you back to the DerivNavigatorAcademy. If you are serious about improving your trading knowledge and become a more disciplined trader, make sure you subscribe because we upload practical tutorials every single day, every single week. Now let us answer the question everyone asks. Now, even as we begin, first of all, what is luck, okay? Luck is when an outcome is completely outside your control. For example, flipping a coin. You cannot control whether it lands on heads or tails. The outcome is uncertain. Now, many traders assume over-under works exactly the same way, but that assumption isn't entirely correct. Now, can you predict the next digit? Can anyone guarantee what the next digit will be? No, nobody can. Not me, not professional traders, not bots, not indicators, and not even artificial intelligence. The next digit can never be guaranteed. If someone promises they can predict every digit, somehow that's a red flag, okay? So does that mean it is pure luck, right? No, not necessarily, all right? And here's why. Although you cannot guarantee the next digit, you can control everything that happens before and after you place a trade. Now, you as a trader, you decide when to enter, when not to trade, how much to risk, which strategy to follow, whether to stop after reaching your daily target, and whether to remain disciplined after a loss. Those decisions are not luck, they are skill. Two traders can look at the exact same market, and one follows a plan and the other trades emotionally. After 1 month, their results may be completely different. Not because one was luckier, but because one made decisions consistently. Okay, now the biggest mistake most traders make, or most beginners, generally most traders judge trading, or most beginners judge trading after just 1 or 2 trades. If they win, they think they have found the perfect strategy. If they lose, they say it's all luck. But trading doesn't work like that. Professional traders think in terms of hundreds of trades, not just one, right? One trade tells you nothing. Consistency over time is what that matters, all right? And why does discipline matter more than luck? Now imagine 2 traders. Both start with exactly the same amount, okay? The first trader follows proper risk management, stops after reaching the goal, accepts losses calmly, never overtrades, and the second trader keeps increasing stake sizes after every loss. They refuse to stop trading, they trade emotionally. At the end of the day, who do you think is more likely to survive after several months? Exactly, okay? Their decisions, not luck, make the biggest difference. Okay, so many people believe buying a trading bot removes luck completely. Unfortunately, also that is another misconception. Bots simply automate a strategy. They simply execute what you have seen as a trader. They cannot and they will never guarantee profits. A bot can still experience losing trades. All right, that is why understanding your strategy and managing risk remains essential, even when you are using automation. Guys, bots execute what you have seen. If you feed the bot the wrong information, automatically the bot will do the wrong decisions, like the principle of computing: garbage in, garbage out. Okay, you have to have a good strategy so that you are able to analyze a market correctly, so that you're able to feed it proper information. Okay, yeah, so is over-under pure luck? And now let us answer the question, okay? The answer is no, all right? Is there uncertainty? Absolutely yes, all right? Can anyone predict every digit? No. There is no trader who can predict every digit correctly. You cannot just come here and start predicting digits and you start winning every single trade every single day. That's a lie. Okay, that's a lie. Yes, you have good strategies that allow you to notice patterns and take advantage of those patterns, but predicting every single digit that appears next is difficult. Okay, that is why you can see that so a trade type like matches is very difficult to trade, because the chance of you predicting what the next number will be is extremely low. Okay, yeah. So, and I told you guys, in Deriv, anytime you see any trade type has a profit percentage of more than 100, okay, just know the risk is also extremely high. So trade while being very cautious. Okay? Yeah, so guys, successful trading isn't about predicting every outcome. Okay? It is about making better decisions consistently, protecting your capital, and staying disciplined over the long run. All right? Luck may influence a single trade. Discipline influences your overall trading journey. All right? If you stop thinking about winning every trade and start focusing on following a solid process, you'll begin looking at over-under very, very differently. All right? Now, I want to hear from you. Do you believe over-under is mostly luck, mostly skill, or combination of both? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'd like to hear your perspective, okay? If you found this video helpful, guys, please ensure you like and subscribe. And guys, if you want to contact us, please use our Telegram number in the description. Our WhatsApp numbers are not operational, so currently please use our Telegram number in the description, and also you can use our email also in the description. Apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.